Hi, it's Cooper from RX Safety, here to talk to you today about the best safety glasses that we have to offer for 2024. Starting with our highest selling safety glasses ever, we have the RX 15011. We have lots and lots of videos about this frame on our YouTube channel purely because of how well liked it is. With its boxy shape, integrated side shields, rubberized nose pads / temple bars, ANSI Z87-2 Plus impact rating, and 8 different color options, there's no wonder why this frame is so popular. Up next, we have the RX Q368, another massively popular frame from RX Safety. This frame shares many features with the 15011, but it sports a different design, and it has the added benefit of being compatible with head straps and goggles. This allows for better security around the head, giving you a more comfortable and hassle-free experience. Another top pick for 2024 is the RX T9603. This frame has you protected from hazards such as dust and particles, being D3, 4, and 5 rated, and sporting a foam gasket. However, it also protects you from electricity. How? Because it's non-conductive, meaning it contains no metal parts. Our final pick for you today is the one and only RX T9538S. This frame shares many visual similarities to the 15011, but comes in at a cheaper price and a little bit of a funkier design. All of these glasses are made with high quality materials, are ANSI Z87 Plus high impact approved, and are prescription available, meaning no matter which one you pick, you'll be in good, safe hands. To shop the best safety glasses of 2024, head over to our website and get yourself a new pair today at rx-safety.com.